You don't need an oversized motorhome to enjoy a big travel lifestyle. Sometimes, the smartest camper vans are the ones that quietly deliver everything you need without drawing too much attention. And that's exactly why the 2026 Knaus Boxlife 540 MQ Platinum Selection is so easy to underestimate, and so hard to ignore once you really look at it. This van is all about clever efficiency, thoughtful design, and strong value, proving that compact camper vans no longer have to feel like a compromise. Built on the reliable Fiat Ducato 3,500 kg chassis, the Boxlife 540 MQ uses the proven 2.2-liter diesel engine producing 140 horsepower. That may not sound extreme on paper, but in real-world driving it's more than capable. Whether you're cruising comfortably on highways, climbing mountain passes, or handling long touring days, the power delivery feels confident and relaxed. For those who want even more ease behind the wheel, an optional 8-speed automatic transmission is available, making city driving smoother and long-distance travel far less tiring. What really surprises most people is the size. At just 541 centimeters long, roughly 5.4 meters, this van fits where larger camper vans simply can't. Regular parking spaces, supermarket lots, ferry decks, and narrow city streets suddenly become stress-free. With a width of 205 centimeters and a height of 258 centimeters, it stays low enough for most height barriers while still offering a comfortable standing height inside. This balance makes the Boxlife 540 MQ an excellent choice for people who want one vehicle that works both as a daily driver and a serious travel companion. Step inside and the interior immediately feels modern, calm, and premium. The furniture is finished in modern oak, giving the space a warm but contemporary atmosphere without feeling dark or heavy. The upholstery, finished in natural stone, is a high-quality vegan leather alternative that looks upscale while being practical. It's durable, easy to clean, and ideal for travelers with kids, pets, or outdoor gear. Instead of feeling like a basic camper, the interior feels closer to a compact modern apartment on wheels. One of the most practical upgrades available is the optional pop-up roof. With this addition, the Boxlife transforms into a 4-to-5 berth camper van, adding another full-size double bed above. This dramatically increases flexibility, making the van suitable not just for couples, but also for small families or friends traveling together, without moving up to a much larger vehicle. The kitchen area follows the same smart, space-efficient philosophy. You get a 2-burner gas hob paired with a sink, which is exactly what most travelers actually need for everyday cooking. It's compact, functional, and easy to use without wasting space on features that rarely get used. The 70-liter compressor refrigerator is another highlight. Unlike older absorption fridges, it cools reliably even in hot weather and doesn't depend on gas, making it ideal for modern van life and off-grid travel. The bathroom design is one of the smartest features in this camper. Knaus uses a swivel wall washroom system that allows the space to change depending on how you're using it. In standard mode, you have a compact toilet and sink setup. When it's time to shower, the wall rotates to create a proper, enclosed shower area. This keeps water where it belongs and allows you to enjoy a real indoor shower without sacrificing living space, something that's essential in a compact van like this. Sleeping comfort is always a major concern in smaller camper vans, and Knaus handles it very well here. At the rear, you'll find a transverse double bed that's wide, supportive, and genuinely comfortable. The 2-layer cold foam mattresses are designed for long-term use, not just weekend trips. This isn't a thin, budget solution. It's built for proper rest night after night, which makes a huge difference on longer journeys. Heating and water systems are another area where the Boxlife 540 MQ Platinum Selection stands out. It comes equipped with TRUMA Combi 4D diesel heating, allowing you to stay warm without relying entirely on gas. Diesel heating is efficient, powerful, and especially useful for winter travel or off-grid camping. There's also an optional electric heating element for added flexibility when connected to campsite power. Freshwater capacity is a generous 102 liters, while the wastewater tank holds 90 liters. Even better, the wastewater tank is insulated and heated, reducing the risk of freezing in cold conditions. Safety is a major focus in this Platinum selection, and it shows. This van is not just about comfort, it's built to inspire confidence on the road. Standard features include cruise control for relaxed highway driving and hill holder to prevent rollback on steep starts. The electronic stability program constantly monitors vehicle movement, while crosswind assist helps maintain control during strong side winds, something that's especially valuable in a high-roof vehicle. Traction Plus with hill descent control improves grip on wet grass, gravel, snow, or steep downhill sections. In the event of a collision, the post-collision braking system helps reduce the risk of secondary impacts. Where the Platinum selection truly shines is value. Instead of forcing buyers to choose from long and expensive option lists, Knaus bundles a wide range of premium features as standard. This means fewer surprises, better equipment straight from the factory, and a camper van that feels complete from day one. Technology also plays an important role. The standard media system features a 6.8-inch display and includes a rear-view camera, making reversing and parking much easier in tight spaces. A charging booster ensures the onboard battery charges efficiently while driving, supporting modern electrical needs and off-grid travel. For couples, the Boxlife 540 MQ offers comfort, flexibility, and easy long-distance travel. For families, the additional sleeping options and smart layout make short and mid-length trips completely realistic. And for solo travelers, it provides a compact but premium base that never feels stripped down or basic. In the end, the 2026 Knaus Boxlife 540 MQ Platinum selection proves that compact doesn't have to mean compromised. It delivers real heating, proper sleeping comfort, a usable kitchen, a genuine indoor shower, advanced safety systems, and strong standard equipment, all in a van just over 5 meters long. That balance is exactly what makes this model so appealing for real-world travel, not just campsite showrooms. If you're searching for a modern camper van that's easy to drive, easy to live with, and packed with value right from the start, the Boxlife 540 MQ Platinum selection deserves serious consideration. It's small enough to go almost anywhere, smart enough to live in comfortably, and well-equipped enough to feel truly premium. Let me know what you think about this layout and size, and whether you'd travel in a van like this. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more camper and van content, and I'll see you in the next one.